Let us learn subtraction of two-digit number. This method is called the bar method. Let's see how this method works. Let's take an example. 63 minus 28. Usually we subtract from right to left, but in Vedic math we subtract from left to right. So start from left. First step. Subtract big number minus small number. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Let's look the next column. In next column, the bottom number is bigger and the top number is small. So our first step is big number minus small number. So 8 minus 3 is 5. Next step. Put bar on number where bottom number is bigger. So we are going to put bar on 5 because the bottom number was bigger here. Here top number was bigger, so we are not going to put bar on 4. And we need to remember any number before bar we subtract 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3, so we write 3 in our answer box. And for bar numbers, we apply the rule all from 9 and last from 10. Here only 5 has bar on it, so we consider 5 as our last number. 10 minus 5 is 5, so we write 5 in the answer box. We will take another example. 84 minus 37. Again we start from left. First step, subtract big number minus small number. So big number is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. And here big number is at the bottom 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. Next step, we put bar on numbers where bottom number is bigger. So here the bottom number is bigger. So we did the reverse subtraction. We did 7 minus 4. So we are going to put bar on 3. And the last step, how do we find answer? Is any number before bar you subtract 1. Always remember, any number before bar you subtract 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. You write 4 in your answer box. And for bar numbers, we apply the rule all from 9 and last from 10. So here only one number 3 is with the bar. So we consider it as a last number. So 10 minus 3 is 7. So 47 is your answer. One more example. 64 minus 23. Again start from left. Big number minus smaller number. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. Next step is like we put bar. But since here all the top numbers are bigger, so we are not going to put any bars on the numbers. So 41 is your answer. Here there are 4 problems for you to practice. So you can practice and later we can check our answers. So that was a subtraction for 2 digits. So let's see how we do subtraction for 3 digit using bar method. Subtraction 3 digit bar method. 246 minus 197. Same method, same steps. We start from left. Subtract big number minus small number. 2 minus 1 is 1. Big number is at the bottom here 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. And big number is here at 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. Put bar on number where bottom number is bigger. So here 9 is bigger than 4 and it is at the bottom. So we put bar on 5. Again 7 is bigger than 6. 7 is at the bottom. We put bar on number 1. Last step, how do we get the answer? Any number before bar, you subtract 1. So what number is before bar? 1. So 1 minus 1, 0, you write in your answer box. Now for bar numbers, we apply the rule all from 9 and last from 10. So 9 minus 5 is 4. You write in the answer box. And the last number here with the bar is 1. So you do 10 minus 1, 9. So 49 is your answer. We will take one more example. 375 minus 268. Again, start from left. Subtract big number minus small number. So 3 minus 2, 1. 7 minus 6, 1. And 8 minus 5, 3. We put bar on number where bottom number is bigger. So your top number is bigger than the bottom. We are not going to put any bar here. Same here, no bar on number 1. We are going to put bar on 3 because here the bottom number was bigger than the top number. Now, how do we get the answer in our last step? We got to remember any number before bar you subtract 1. So what number is before bar? 11. So you do 11 minus 1. 11 minus 1 is 10. You write 10 here. And then only one number with a bar, you do 10 minus 3. You write 7. So 107 is your answer. One more example. 523 minus 245. So start from left. Big number minus small number. 5 minus 2, 3. Again, big number is at the bottom. So 4 minus 2, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. Then we put bar on numbers where bottom number is bigger. So here bottom number is bigger. 4, you did 4 minus 2, so you're going to put bar on 2. Again, bottom number is bigger, so you put bar on 2. Then you apply the rule all from 9, last from 10. But before that, you need to remember that any number before bar, you subtract 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. And then 9 minus 2 is 7. And last number is 2 bar. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So 278 is your answer. One more example. 583 minus 291. Again, start from left. Big number minus small number. 5 minus 2, 3. 9 minus 8, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Put bar on number where bottom number is bigger. So here bottom number is bigger, so we put bar on number 1. Any number before bar, you subtract 1. So 3 minus 1, you write 2 in the answer box. And there is only one number with the bar. What you do? You do 10 minus 1, you get 9. Now 2, you don't do anything to 2, which you just bring down 2 in the answer box. So 292 is your answer. One more example. 592 minus 181. Start from left. Big number minus small number. 5 minus 1, 4. 9 minus 8, 1. 2 minus 1. Put bar on numbers. We are not going to put any bar on those numbers because here all the top numbers are bigger than the bottom number. So 411 is your answer. We have few more problems for you to practice. So just practice and then we check our answers. Thank you. Let's learn subtraction of 4-digit number using bar method. Same method is applied. Start from left. Big number minus small number. 3 minus 1, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. 9 minus 5, 4. Put bar on number where bottom number is bigger. If 0 is in between two bar number, then we consider bar over 0. That is very important. If 0 is in between two bar number, then we consider bar over 0. So we put bar on 2 because here the 4 was bigger at the bottom. 1 minus 1, 0. We consider bar over 0. 9 is bigger than 5. 9 minus 5, so we put bar on 4. And always remember, if 0 is in between two bar number, we always consider bar on 0. Next step. Any number before the bar number, you subtract 1. 2 minus 1, 1. And for bar numbers, we always remember, we apply the rule all from 9 and last from 10. So the next bar number is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 0 is 9. And for the last, 10 minus 4 is 6. So 1796 is your answer. Let's take another example. (5,435 minus 2,362). Start from left. Big number minus small number. 5 minus 2, 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 3, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. Put bar on number where bottom number is bigger. So here 6 is bigger number at the bottom. So we put bar on 3. And then last step, what we do, any number before the bar number, you subtract 1. So what number is before the bar number? 31. So you do 31 minus 1. So 31 minus 1 is 30. So you write down here 30. And there is only one number with the bar. You do 10 minus 3, you get 7. 3, you just bring it down. So your answer is 3073. We'll take one more example. 4762 minus 4237. Start from left. Big number minus small number. So 4 minus 4, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. 6 minus 3, 3. And 7 minus 2, 5. So put bar on number where bottom number is bigger. So here bottom number is bigger. So we put bar on 5. And how do we get the answer? The last step, any number before the bar number, you subtract 1. So 53, 0 is no value. So 53 minus 1. 53 minus 1 is 52. And only one number with the bar left. So you do 10 minus 5, you get 5. So 525 is your answer. Let's take another example. 2872 minus 1954. Again, start from left. Big number minus small number. 2 minus 1, 1. And big number is at the bottom. 9 minus 8, 1. And 7 minus 5, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. Put bars on number where bottom number is bigger. So here bottom number is bigger. We are going to put bar on 1. And we are going to put bar on 2 because 4 is a bigger number at the bottom. Alright. Now look. Any number before bar you subtract 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. So there is only one number left with bar. What do? You do 10 minus 1, you get 9. Now let's look at next number is 2. Alright, after 2, there is next number with a bar. And we remember any number before bar. So 2 is before this 2 bar. You subtract 1. 2 minus 1, you write 1 here. And the last number here, only one number is with the bar. You do 10 minus 2, 8. So 918 is your answer. So there are few more problems you can practice and we can check our answers later. Thank you.